Do you have ever heard that everyone said like this? Like and subscribe if you love Jesus. After Jesus died, Jesus said, like and subscribe if you love Jesus. You heard that? Do you ever heard everyone do that like that? Does everyone go to church? Jesus said, like and subscribe if you love Jesus. Do you hear that? In church, you see, Jesus don't said it. Guys, Sunday